Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings and then scroll all the way down to System and Update. Reset phone. This will show you basically everything that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and user data. If you have anything of that sort that you'd like to preserve, make a backup, copy of it to, for instance, your computer. Next, we're going to select Reset Phone. If you have a screen lock, you need to confirm it. You do have the option to back up your device right here, but keep in mind this backup is being done to the HUAWEI cloud. So if your next device isn't a HUAWEI, you will not have access to this data. Anyway, I'm going to select Reset Phone, and we're going to need to log out of the account, which I guess I can just do by, oh, never mind, I can't do it by clicking. Kind of confused, it's telling me to log in instead of log out. See that again. Okay, so it did automatically log out. So yeah, from there, the device will begin factory resetting, and this process will take probably a couple minutes to finish up. Once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.